Some trails look tempting on a map, but let me tell you about ones in Colorado that you should avoid, and it has nothing to do with the dirt. I've told you about some of my favorite places in Colorado, but let me tell you about those places to avoid. So there are a few areas that I would say I would avoid for a number of different reasons. First and foremost, I would definitely recommend staying away from Rainbow Falls. So it's one of those places that are close by, so it's enticing because it's not a very long truck and trailer ride, and depending on the time of year, you can actually get in the backside of Rainbow Falls through Dakin Road access, which is very seasonal, but very close by. We're talking probably a half hour to 45-minute truck and trailer ride from our shop here in Castle Rock. The reason why I would avoid this area is because it seems to attract a lot of low skill types of riders in this area. So, for example, I've been there a couple times and I've noticed some children on some ATVs that weren't wearing protective equipment and they weren't even wearing shoes at that matter. And nothing scares me more than me and my big UTV coming around a corner and having a child that might not be able to operate the equipment safely, not wearing any safety equipment, and we come into a collision setting with my machine that's absolutely going to roll over top of them without skipping a beat. So for that reason alone, the amount of people that I see that are at that low skill level in this area is the reason why I would highly suggest avoiding this area. It's worth a long and truck and trailer ride to get to an area that's either more wide open or at least you're surrounded by people that might know what they're doing. August 14th through 16th at the Norris Penrose Event Center, we're back at the Pioneer Rodeo. We had such a fun time last year watching the bull riding, steer wrestling, mutton busting, and then the demolition derby on Sunday, but this year we're adding a little bit of power sports touch. So get your tickets at pioneerrodeo.com, use promo code FURY at checkout. Another one that's probably going to bring up some controversy is Yankee Hill. So Cripple Creek area, Yankee Hill for the most part is a pretty good area. It's one big hill that is pretty well covered. So if you do go in the winter time, it is like an ice hill. So just a matter of low traction reasons, I've seen a lot of wrecks happen on that hill, definitely in the winter time. But for the most part, it's a pretty easy trail system. You go up to the top, it's pretty up there. But again, a lot of people are enticed to ride in this area of that low skill caliber kind of rider, where I can also see a lot of things happening in and around the groups that I ride with that cause accidents just because of the folks that are up there. I also think that this is a very popular spot for people to not ride as much and partake in some adult activities while parked on the trail that leave the trail with a lot of trash, a lot of bottles, and kind of give a bad name to the UTV crowd in general, just because it is in the Cripple Creek area and a lot of people go up there in Colorado for the gambling reasons. And then to tie back to Rainbow Falls, so Rainbow Falls on the Woodland Park side, there's a place called Rampart Range Road. It's all kind of in the same area. Rampart Range Road, for the most part, is just a road. I absolutely take my F-150 out and you'll be just fine. But a lot of UTVs get on this area and treat it like the Pikes Peak Hill Climb. Where it's a race and you're out there, it's actually a road where you can drive trucks and cars and stuff on. A lot of Jeeps go on it. So if you go out there with that kind of racing rally mindset, obviously it creates some unsafe conditions, which is the reason why I would avoid that. It's still in that Rainbow Falls area, so I think it's still part of the same crowd of low talent, low skill level, kind of ignorant side of this sport. So those are the three areas that I would recommend. If you have ever been to an area that you would recommend we don't attend, please drop it in the comments. Let us know. Maybe we'll do a video on that later. Until then, ride safe, ride few.